In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your time zone in Hubstaff. This process is straightforward and should take no more than a few minutes. Let's jump right in and make sure your Hubstaff account reflects your correct time zone, ensuring accurate tracking and reports. First, start by opening your preferred internet browser. Whether you're using Chrome, Firefox, Safari, or any other browser, just type Hubstaff in the search bar and navigate to their official website. Once the page loads, you'll find the option to sign in, typically located at the top right corner of the homepage. Go ahead and click on that to enter your login credentials. If your credentials are saved, this part should be a breeze. If not, simply enter your email and password to access your account. After you've successfully signed in, direct your attention to your user profile avatar. Depending on the design updates from Hubstaff, you might find this avatar situated in either the bottom left corner or the top right of the screen. Click on your avatar, and from the drop-down menu that appears, select My Account. This link is your gateway to managing your personal settings within Hubstaff. Once you're in the My Account section, look for the time zone settings. This is usually presented as a drop-down menu. It's important to update this setting to accurately reflect your current location, ensuring that all your time tracking data is synchronized correctly with your actual working hours. Scroll through the list of available time zones until you find the one that matches your location. If you're not sure, you might want to do a quick online search to confirm your current time zone. After selecting your desired time zone, there usually will be a Save button near the bottom of the page or next to the drop-down menu. Make sure you click this button to apply the changes you've made. It's a small step, but crucial, as failing to save the changes will mean reverting back to the previous settings, leaving your efforts unaccounted for. By clicking Save, your new time zone setting is now active, and you can continue using Hubstaff with the confidence that your tracking and reporting are now accurately aligned to your local time. That's all there is to it. In just a few simple steps, you've successfully updated your time zone in Hubstaff. As you continue to work and manage tasks across different locations, remember to keep this setting up to date to maintain precise records. Thanks for tuning in, and don't forget to check back for more useful tips.